NADL right now at $2.40. Coming off a little bit of a move. The last time that we went over this one was going to be on the 21st, right here. All right, so I said we'll need volume to pick up to remain steady. The volume to remain steady was one of my concerns then, and I said resistance at 310. You guys hit that high of 324, which is going to be that high, ending up closing at 270. I'm sorry, over here on the 21st, ended up closing at $2.55 and hit the high at 310. So that's where that resistance came off of, and the follow-up about 350 as well. For the resistance off of that. And then the support lines were $2.63, $2, and $1.67, hitting the low over here at $2.11, and then opening at $2.20 as well. A lot of gaps as well, but again, I know that I've talked about it. When you get into the stocks over $1, those gaps play a whole different role. Okay, I've said that. I got to make myself clear. It's becoming a controversial topic, but right now at $2.34, starting to spike up again. I think that this one might be clearly set up for another bounce here, guys. The volume's starting to really pick up again. The volume, I said it over here, volume needs to remain steady, and it just dropped off of that, averaging right around that million mark for volume. We'll call it about a million. With that being said, I would watch this one. I think it could be setting up for a bounce off this 10-day simple move.
All right, so with this one right here, we went through it pretty thoroughly last time we went over it. They're traded on the NYSE, and let's see, they had a press release today. It was NADL interim funding from Seadrill Limited amended. So North Atlantic Drilling Ltd announces today that it has amended the revolving credit facility provided by Seadrill Limited. Its majority shareholder to mature on June 30th, 2017, and increased it to $50 million. The facility was originally entered into on January 31st, 2017 for $25 million and extended previously to mature on April 30th, 2017. This interim funding arrangement has been put in place while restructuring negotiations continue at both companies. So for more information, this information is subject to the disclosure requirements pursuant to 5-12 of the Norwegian Securities Trading Act. All right, so that's there right there for you guys to go and obviously, do some due diligence on. Because if you go and pull up their, they have the 6Ks over here. And then, they're extensive when you go through them, especially the one from February 28th, 2017, which we kind of brushed upon over on the last, it was the 21st when we went over this company. All right, so if you want to continue doing that due diligence, just go right over to the NADL board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy ratings. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that North Atlantic Drilling Limited company board on Investors Hangout.
All right, there we go. 235, setting up for a nice bounce off that 10-day simple moving average at 224, resistance at 253, somewhere right around that range. 270 and $3, support at 220, $2 and $1.79. NADL, keep an eye on this one. Like I said, seems to be trying to make a nice bounce off this 10-day simple moving average. If you follow this one, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't, we'd appreciate it. And check us out live, investorshangout.com/live.